Okay, so a great question that Kirsty Brazier has just asked about how do I get the interaction back up in my group? So it's really, really difficult, right? To be able to gain the kind of the traction and grow the engagement in your groups. It is really, really difficult because what it seems to be is that if you start a group and the energy's there from the beginning, it's going to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. But for example, I had a group. I'm just going to write these numbers down. It started at 0. This is in February 2019, right? Started at 0, and then it started to grow. Now, today, it's what, February 2020? Yeah, whatever. It's February 2020, and that's obviously 0, and there are 15,000 people in there. The engagement, when it started, it was 5, 6, 7 times higher. In fact, I did a video in there. The first 10 videos that I do a video every single day. The first 10 videos that I did in there were getting 1,000 to 3,000 views per video. The videos here get 300 to 500. And a lot of it is because people just get bored. People get bored. There's a saying, familiarity breeds contempt. People the more they listen to you, the less likely they are to listen to you, right? I know you're going to create influence with a certain percentage, but the bigger percentage you're going to lose. So you just got to keep going, being consistent. But here's what I would do. I would do a countdown. I would go into Google and I would find the number 5, the number 4, the number 3, the number 2, the number 1, and the number 0 in a cool graphic. Okay, so to do this, all you would have to do really is just go to Google, type in number 5, right? And then go on images, take the photo, copy it, and then obviously paste that in. And that's all you're going to do for 5 days. So people are just going to see an image, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then on the 0, you're basically restarting the group and you're going to be consistent. Now, here's the thing about groups, right? Number 1 is there needs to be a post every day. There has to be a post every single day. And to be honest with you, 1 minimum. So it should be 1 to 10 posts a day. Absolute minimum. Number 2, don't be the only person creating content. Don't be the only person creating content. Right? If you're the only person creating content because it's a sales group, then it isn't going to work because it's a broadcast then, right? It's a broadcast and not a community. Facebook are going to give you bonus points for creating a community. That's the 3rd point. Moving on. Not sales groups don't build engagement. I want you to write that down and I want you to never forget it. Sales-based groups never, and they don't build engagement. A lot of the groups I see in network marketing are all customer groups, VIP groups, and you're posting in there going 20% off, product of the week. People aren't engaging in that. Why would people engage in things that aren't valuable? Right? That's kind of like 2 people come to your front door at different times. One comes at 8 a.m., one comes at 9 a.m. Ding dong, and it's the milkman saying, hey, I've got some milk here, and what I want to do is I want to explain to you the benefits of this milk and how it can help you in your day-to-day life. But let me ask you a question before. How are you doing today? You feeling good this morning? Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. Yeah, it's engaging, and then they might sell you something, right? However, the second person, knock, 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 you answer it and goes, yes, would you like a double glazing windows package? No, thanks. Okay, bye. It's a numbers game. Screw you anyway. That's the difference between what you're doing. You're both trying to sell something, but one is leading with value and being engaging and creating a community around it. Like, hey, you can join our club of milk lovers around the world. Maybe a bit of a weird example. But the other part, this double glazing salesman hasn't got a community. He's just you want to buy? No, okay, buy. Next one, knock, knock. I want to buy. No, thanks, okay, next one. But no, it doesn't work that way. So, post every day, 1 to 10 times. Don't be the only person in the group creating content. Sales groups don't build engagement. All right, so make sure there's some sort of community, and then use videos, lives, images, memes, and text. For me, The best performing posts by a mile are text. Example, yesterday in my group, it's a free group, anyone can join. It's for the people who have bought my book. I dare you. You can go to frazersbook.com to see more about the book, but it basically helps you increase it's the ultimate guide to building your network marketing business using social media, right? The recruitment strategies on how to attract more people to you and how to reach out to the right people, what to say, what to do, and all of that sort of stuff. So I put a video, did a video, and I did text. So video, live video, and text. The live video, in fact, I can't show you, it's not on my phone. In fact, the live video had 280 views. 280 views. The text had over 500 comments. How does a post get nearly double the number of comments that the other one did views? You don't even need to do anything to do a view, it just has to play for 3 seconds. So, with that being said, use text as much as you can. Why? It's easy to consume. People actually love a written post that they can read in 10 seconds versus having to watch a video for 10 minutes. All right? You're going to obviously get more out of a video if it's value-based. So I would give value in videos. I would give tips in text. I would give fun in images. And I would give instructions in recorded videos. All right? So that's the answer to that question. I hope it helped, and I'll see you soon.